Gusto mo magsipag anak mo, tanggalin mo maid mo. Patrabahuin mo anak mo. Today, parents just give their children more reason not to work. Kawawa naman. Pag pinatrabaho natin, kawawa naman. Kung hindi na pinagtatrabaho, mag-aral ka na lang anak. And then, hindi pa pagawin ng household work. Di ba? And then, they're spoiled. As a parent, how can you help your children develop strong character and solid work ethics from an early age so they are less likely to grow lazy? Could you share an example from your own? Alam mo ako, I feel sad today. Many parents will tell their children, anak, mag-aral ka lang dyan. Kami na bahala, may maid. Alam mo, gusto mo magsipag anak mo, tanggalin mo maid mo. Patrabahuin mo anak mo and hinto mo yung computer nila. Today, parents just give their children more reason not to work. Kawawa naman. Pag pinatrabaho natin, kawawa naman. When you do that, you rob your children of the opportunity to develop. Kaso lang, ang problema ngayon, sabihin ng mga anak, iba't yung kaibigan ko, hindi pinapatrabaho ng nanay nila. Ako, ang mga anak ko, kaya masisipag yan because we have a foundation and they went through our training. In our training, they will work half a day. The trabaho talagang sa field and pag hindi sila trabaho, they get punished. But that's another story. Tapos na yung training center na yan. But our children, when they were small, they were encouraged to do things at home. Okay, wala pa masyado ng internet, but they were encouraged to do things at home. Ang mga bata ngayon, hindi na pinagtatrabaho. Mag-aral ka na lang, anak. And then, hindi pa pagawin ng household work. Di ba? And then, they're spoiled. Dapat early pa lang, ang anak nyo, pinapatrabaho maski sa bahay. And then, if you get a chance to ask them to sell, ito, ibenta natin, sa simula, mahihiya yan. Pero pag nasanay yan magbenta, you develop in the person the entrepreneurial spirit. I think there's a lot of ways for parents to teach their children. Give them the opportunity to work, pero walang bayad. Kasi pag may bayad lahat ng trabaho nila, you'd also develop the wrong character. Yung bang lahat na lang, hindi siya gagalaw pag walang bayad. Because there are things you just have to do maski hindi ka binabayaran.